Hello guys, welcome to another video of Microsoft Excel. Here I'll be detailing about length function of Microsoft Excel. Length function helps us to, it tells us that what is the size of that string, what is the length, what is the number of character, how much is the number of character in that string. Formula for this function length is given by equal to LEN bracket starts that particular string for which we need to find length of that string bracket closed. See, for first name we would like to find what is the length of that string which is in first name column. Equal to LEN first name's Amit bracket closed 4. For Anil it will also be 4 AMIT 4. Isn't it so simple? Now here we will be finding about length of number of characters, length of last name, number of characters in last name equal to LEN Kumar bracket closed. I think it will be 5. Yes. See, I have to find out the length of full name. Okay, for full name we need to join first name and last name. We have learnt earlier in concatenate. Okay, to get the length of full name we need to first of all know what is full name, and to know what is full name we have to join first name and last name, putting a space between first name and last name, that is Amit space Kumar. See how it is, how we do it. I think we'll make full name. What is full name? Equal to Amit ampersand then space then ampersand, sorry I did a mistake, that's why it returned only Amit and ampersand space then last name Kumar. First name equal to first name ampersand space then last name. Up see what is the length of full name. We need to find out what is the length of Amit Kumar, that includes space also, equal to length equal to len Amit Kumar. It shows 10. The length of full name is one character. The number in length of full name is one number higher than actual characters in full name. It is due to the presence of space in full name. That's why we got an additional length. So guys, how was this video? Hope you learned something new. Give me a feedback. Do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.